నా ఇష్టమైన కలెక్షన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అ సెట్ ఫ్రమ్ మంగత్రాయ్ ఉంది. సో దాట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ తెలుగులో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను సిద్ధుతో, నీర్జా కోనా డైరెక్షన్లో. అండ్ హిందీలో 2 రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, ఒకటి సాబర్మతి అండ్ ఒక వేరే ఫిల్మ్ ఉంది విక్రాంత్తో చేస్తున్నాను. సో తెలుగు, తమిళ్, హిందీ
ఆగరా నాయన సెట్ చేస్తా ఒక చెయ్యి వస్తుంది. ఓకే లుక్ హియర్ మేడం, ఫస్ట్ లుక్ హియర్. రైట్ రైట్ ఆగ్ మేడం, ఒక్క నిమిషం వెయిట్ వెయిట్ మేడం, వెయిట్. पीछे पीछे आग आग ये అన్న కొంచెం ముందుకెళ్ళండి. ఆగ్ కొంచెం హియర్ హియర్ మేడం. ఆల్ కెమెరాస్ ఆచి లుక్ హియర్ మేడం. ఇధర్ మేడం రైట్. ग्रुप फोटो स्ट्राइट लुक स्ट्राइट. मैडम 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 आउट राशि कड़ा राशि 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 मैडम मैडम सविता पोस्ट के बाद हां जरा यस मैम ఇక్కడ 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 राइट में सपोर्ट वन शॉट मैडम एक ज्वेलरी होल्ड करो ना पीछे से वो होल्ड होल्ड हां यहां पर इधर हां राइट मैडम मैडम ये हां बहुत बहुत ये अरे ना हां राइट आशीष सर అన్న వెయిట్ అన్న కొంచెం ప్రెస్ మీట్ దగ్గరికి అందరికి వెళ్తే అక్కడికి వస్తాం మేడం. సోలో తీసుకున్నాం. yes sure sure అన్న మూవ్ ప్లీజ్. సోలో 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 కదా ఎంట్రీలో అన్న మీడియా కొంచెం అక్కడ మూవ్ అయ్యి రాస్తా రాస్తా.
Ladies and gentlemen, very much for joining us. Thank you so much for joining us. I also request Mr. Neeraj Gupta and Mr. Nayan Gupta to join us. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Please be seated, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to introduce you to the brand that is being a beacon of excellence in the jewelry industry, Mangatrai Neeraj. With their families to ensure the success of the brand. We are here to celebrate this beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen, along with our very gorgeous chief guest, the very beautiful Rashi Khanna, here with us. I now request Mr. Neeraj Gupta and Mr. Nayan Gupta, along with our very gorgeous Rashi Khanna and Anuradha ma'am and Samvita ma'am to kindly such a unique and exquisite collection that is captivating the hearts of all of us, ladies and gentlemen. In the business, the legacy was then carried forward by Mr. Neeraj Gupta, whose 35 plus years of expertise have strengthened the firm's manufacturing foundation. Today, ladies and gentlemen, the legacy is being elevated to new heights by Mr. Nayan Gupta, whose decades creative perspective to the firm. Let's celebrate Mangat Rai Neeraj, where tradition meets innovation, like you can see in each exquisite jewelry piece. This is where tradition meets. An opportunity to have a word with our very gorgeous Rashi Khanna. Can we also hear it from you, ma'am?
ముందుగా మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది ఈరోజు హైదరాబాద్లో. ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టు లాంచ్ దర్ ఎక్స్క్విజిట్ కలెక్షన్ దట్ యూ గైస్ జస్ట్ సా, విచ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వీనస్ ద గాడెస్ ఆఫ్ ఎమరల్డ్స్. చాలా మంచి కలెక్షన్ ఇది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇలాంటి ఎమరల్డ్స్ నేను చూడలేదు ఇప్పటి వరకు, ఆనెస్ట్గా చెప్పాలంటే. And I think they've done a great job in terms of craftsmanship. You see the quality in the products when you see the products. It's beautiful. You know, when you see it, you feel like you walked into elegance. It's elegant and it's a mix of modern and contemporary. So I feel like it's for all age groups. I'm going to bring my mother to your showroom very soon because I think we have it for all age groups. There's something for everybody. So I'm very, very happy to be here, to be associated with them and to bring this collection forward to you. I thank you for all the work that you put in to bring us this beautiful thing, like adding this to our beauty in our lives. Thank you so much. All the very best to you with this collection, and I hope you guys come and, as he said, see the collection because చూడడానికి కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. Just see it and I think you'll just fall in love with the collection itself. So very, very happy to be here and to launch their collection, and thank you for being such gracious hosts. You've always been smiling and you've given me so much respect. Thank you for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now that you're here, we'd also have a quick question for you from all our fans and from all the women that follow you, that look upon to you for fashion and style. The question for you here is, what is that one ornament that you definitely have in your bag when you walk for the red carpet? Let's have some secrets spilled quickly.
Are you asking me about jewelry or are you asking
Jewelry.
me?
Jewelry has to be jewelry.
I think I love rings. So I have to have a ring as a part of whatever that I'm wearing on the red carpet. Like today also I have this ring. Even though I'm wearing these beautiful emeralds, I still feel like it's incomplete without a ring. So that's something that I really like. Yeah.
So I'm sure all the female fans around can note this quickly down. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we are all set for media questions. If you have any questions, we'll request you all to come forward.
జ్యువెలరీలో నేను కౌంట్ చేయలేదండి, బట్ ఐ థింక్ డీసెంట్ ఎనఫ్ ఉన్నాయి. అది కౌంట్ చేయలేదు నేను. I think every Diwali, my mother wants to buy like one set for me. Like that's a tradition. ఒక tradition ఉంది every Diwali. I love. Yeah.
మేడం మీ కొత్త మూవీస్ మేధావి కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా?
అవునవును, తమిళ్లో ఉంది. Yeah.
Do we have any more questions, gentlemen?
మీరు వాళ్ళని అడగండి, నేనెందుకు అని వాళ్ళని అడగండి.
We'd like to ask you, why did you choose?
They are asking why did I choose, you're asking me. As I said, it's a mix of contemporary and modern. So I think it's for all age groups and it's very elegant. That's something that I go for in life. My style is very elegant, I feel. So I thought this was the best place to just blend in with that brand. So yeah, I mean that's the reason why I signed up.
Thank you so much for the answer. Do we have more questions?
మీకు వచ్చిన ఇప్పుడు బెస్ట్ గిఫ్ట్ ఏంటండి జ్యువెలరీ?
జ్యువెలరీలో పాప నాకు ఇచ్చారు ఒక పెండెంట్ when I was 19. That is something that's very close to my heart.
సార్ what is the specialty of your jewelry?
And Gupta, along with the very beautiful Rashi Khanna. I'd now like to hear few words from Mr. Nayan Gupta.
Hello,
Let's
everyone.
have it from him, ladies and gentlemen. Let's also give a huge round of applause for our director.
Hello everyone. I'm thankful that everyone is here today. And so I'm Nayan Gupta, as she introduced me. I'm the director and the person behind this collection. And I always wanted that the collection should have more meaning than this just jewelry. So our new collection, Venus, goddess of emerald. So this is, I'm inspired by, the goddess of emerald, that's Venus, because she inspires, she's passionate, she's sensual. So with that inspiration, I've got a touch of traditionality and modernity in the, collection and got it here. Every piece is unique in itself and it has a lot of attention to detail. I'm sure every piece is unique like every customer of ours and probably like Rashi also. I'm sure everyone should come and have a look and make sure they have a look because it's something worthwhile watching. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. With this, I'd like to take in.
ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఆఫర్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
It is a premium jewelry.
ఓకే.
So it's that's what I want to say. It's one of a kind. It's a premium jewelry, one piece, one style. So if I want also I cannot offer anything. So it is something very special. People who want something different and special, that's what I will cater to.
ఇంకేమైనా కొత్త
I think that is what Neeraj, Mangatrai Neeraj boasts about. Our in-house designing team and manufacturing capabilities. That is what we actually boast about. Do we have more questions about the same?
కొత్త షోరూమ్ ప్లాన్ ఉందా?
Soon, in near future, we will also be coming up with new showrooms. We are planning for expansions also. We are having very good business here, so we'll be expanding soon.
Do we have any more questions? Tell me. Legacy of.
So we are a 100-year-old, century-old brand, and we come from a very background where we used to start up with pearls. Now we have specialized in jewelry, and it was started by my grandfather, great-grandfather. We are the 6th generation in business now. So it's a age-old business, and we are specialized in manufacturing and design team. So whatever you see here is special. You will not find it anywhere in the market. It's different.
That's beautiful. So the next question is, why should people come to this store?
I told you the experience that we give. Like she said, we have the culture in our people also as we have. We are always smiling. We are always, hospitable. We are always looking forward for service. It's not just about the sale. It's about the experience you have when you come here.
What types of occasions do your jewelry?
From there also, so it's everywhere. It's omni-channel.
What is the speciality of Mangatrai Neeraj's jewelry?
Like I said, design, difference, special, unique. If you want to be unique, then you need to be here.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Soon we'll be expanding. We'll be having a few more stores coming up. So, yeah.
Exactly. So probably we'd like to know, how do you see Mangatrai Neeraj in the coming 20 years?
Internationally, nationally, more multiple stores across the country. So yes, we want people to feel unique. So we'll be coming for them.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Do we have more questions? No more personal questions, and let's refrain from asking personal questions. Thank you so much. I request Radha ma'am and Samvita ma'am to